This old guy DIY video has to do with installing the guy wires for this OSprey nest. I poured the concrete in the holes here about 15 hours ago, and what I'm doing today is the rest of the rigging. I'm not going to tighten this thing up, but I wanted to get everything in place so I don't have to disrupt any birds that choose to come over here. But basically my system is this. I had that piece of chain buried in 125 pounds of concrete. Then using a 4-inch, 3/8 inch galvanized bolt with a nut on the end, I ran it to another piece of chain that's then terminated with a crimped ferrule to a piece of 3/8 inch cable. And the cable goes up here to a choker that I put around the post with 3 cables coming off 120 degrees apart from each other. So I should get a nice triangle effectively with even forces when it pulls down. But what I just did is put this lead-in piece in and crimp the ferrules. Just took a little bit of electrical tape and put that over this end just so no critter gets stuck by it. And I'm going to leave it sit for another day and a half or so. I'll tighten the bolts up on these respective chains. So basically I have a little tripod here supporting my osprey nest. Once I have the guy lines taut, then I'll fill the hole in with dirt, and that'll be that. Rather than going directly to the cable, I put this piece of chain here for a couple of reasons. Number one, when you look at the way the thing twists to accommodate the bolt, I wanted the chain to have that freedom as opposed to having to worry about a washer interfacing with the cable here. And then the second thing is, by having a bunch of links, when I go to actually install this, I'm going to take a ratchet strap and I'll hook down here to the bottom of the chain, and then I'll hook right here to the eye, and I'll pull the thing so it's taut. And then if I've taken up enough slack that I have to come out of this hole and move up 1 or 2, I still have plenty of adjustment here to make sure that my guy wires are taut. It's a lot cheaper to buy these bolts at $4 a pound from Tractor Supply or Family Farm and Home than it is to put turnbuckles on there, for example. This is the project. Thank you for watching.